with another new vlog in a year. So, ilang years, 2 years ata akong hindi nakapag-vlog. So, basically, senior high school life ko ay hindi ko na-vlog because tinatamad ako and I really wanna vlog kapag may maayos na ako na camera pero wala akong pambili. So mag-stay muna tayo dito sa Android ka.
Oh yes!
So, we are going to dagat! Magdadagat kami ngayon ng friend ko. Kami lang dalawa. Nakikita niyo na naka-impake na ako here. And ready to go na talaga. Nag-wait na lang ako ng time. So, aalis kami. Ang call time pala is 8:30 and it's already 7:39 ng morning. So, yeah. It's our first time to go to another place na kami lang two. And I hope and I pray that safe and sound kami makarating doon. At saka, hindi kami maligaw kasi magko-commute lang kami. Hindi natin. Kaganto ko. Nasa dagat na tayo. So yeah. Let's go.
So guys, I forgot na bumili pala muna kami ng food before kami pumunta ng Bataan. So here's the clip.
Success, guys! We're here in Anton Beach Resort. After... finally made it! So guys, our first outfit here and nasa dagat na kami. We're going to take a picture here. Oh my God!
Sun is shining, waves so high.
So guys, yung day 1 namin is hindi talaga ako nag-vlog ng sobra kasi in-enjoy at nilanghap talaga namin yung day 1 namin dyan, best. So, let's go na sa day 2.
So guys, it's 5 a.m. now. Mag-chillax lang.
I wanna dance in the lights. I wanna rock your body. I wanna go for a ride. Hop in the music and rock your body right. I wanna.
Guys, the reality. After the beach. Look at that. Guys, wala na siyang tsinelas. Tinangay ng dagat. Ayan, naglalakad siya nang walang tsinelas. Ang init-init. Go girl, takbo. Dapat ganun